Hey guys, welcome back. It's been 4.5 months since I had my FUE surgery at Hair Medical Restoration in Tijuana, Mexico. And in this video, I'm gonna talk about how it's going, give you the whole twirly whirly, and just answer some questions that I got through the comments and stuff like that. So let's get right to it. First off, wow, right? It's like in the last 17 days, it's been 17 days since the last video, and this area has started to fill in. It looks like amazing. Don't you guys agree? I'm like really impressed. And today I actually styled my hair. I actually put a little bit of hairspray and combed it and stuff, and I don't know, it just looks really good. And I'll zoom in on that, show you guys closer. But on this side it looks really nice too. So I'll run my hands through this area so you guys can see how that's looking. It feels all like really natural. The hairs feel strong. I'm not scared to touch it. If any of you guys are worried like, ooh, why is he touching it? No, they're strong. They're like normal hairs. And then on this side, there's like more hair and it looks like really good. And I think the hairline looks like really natural. And you know, it's still like, I don't know, probably like 60% of the hair still has to grow in. So this is just with 40% of the hair that's come in, and it's already looking really nice. What I've found really interesting is that, you know, the grafts I have here all in the front are from the back, and you know, they got placed in the front, and it seems that the new grafts, they just, you know, take on the shape and follow the form of the old hairs I used to get there. It's like the grafts reprogram their DNA to follow the same contours as my hair used to have, because like the hair here, it just seems to want to go towards my right, and it's not like I've been brushing or using a little mini curling iron forcing them to go that way. It's just like they naturally want to go that way. I think the human body is amazing how it does that. So I'm impressed by that, and I guess that's just, you know, I'm impressed by the human body that it does that. But it's really cool how that happens. All right, so now I'll show you guys the sides and back. Okay, that's the front, you've seen that. Okay, here's the sides. It's looking really like good. That's the back. Like nothing ever happened. And then here's the other side. Just looking really good. There are still many months to go in this hair voyage, but I can really confidently say that I think this is a success. I mean, I'm on my way to having like incredibly beautiful, thick frontal hairline here. I'm gonna put in some old photos of how my hair used to look in this video, because I directed some of you guys to my Instagram and you guys were like, well, your hair didn't look that bad in those photos. And I'm like, well, yeah, because on Instagram, we all post like the best photos of us possible, because, you know, everyone has a perfect life on Instagram, even me. But I'll put some more real photos in this video so you guys can see the difference, because there is a big like change. So you guys will see that like now. Some of you have reached out to me and actually told me that you guys are going to go to Hair Medical Restoration and have the surgery done by Dr. Cortez. And all I got to say is that I think you're making a great choice, because, you know, he did a great job on me, and I see no reason why he wouldn't do a great job on you. And you've also mentioned that some of you are nervous about it. And to that, I got to say is that that's normal. You wouldn't be human if you weren't nervous. I mean, you're basically going under the knife. I mean, you're not going under real anesthesia, but still, you know, it's a long procedure. So that's natural. But once you meet Dr. Cortez, you guys will feel way better. You know, once you meet him in person, you know you're in good hands, and it makes all the difference. I'll post my next video on January 2nd, so not till next year. So in the meantime, I want to wish everyone a Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Merry Kwanzaa, and all the other holidays that I don't remember. Anyways, guys, my name's Moises Amaya, and I'm out.